Hello everyone. Today, I'm taking you to my Emirates Business Class flight from Melbourne to Frankfurt on an Airbus A380. It's a two-segment flight. The first is a 14-hour flight from Melbourne to Dubai, then a 3-hour stopover, then a 7-hour flight from Dubai to Frankfurt. Travel time is around 24 hours in total. Throughout the video I'm going to show you the features of this flight, and many of the stuff you can experience when you choose to fly business with Emirates. It's a pretty long journey, so before and in between flights, I'll also show you what's inside the Emirates Business Lounge in Melbourne, and at my stopover point at Dubai International Airport. So, we'll start at the Melbourne Airport. Emirates flights depart from the International Departure Terminal, which is Terminal 2. Like many other airlines, business class ticket holders have their own lanes for checking in. Part of the business class ticket is a complimentary access to the Emirates Lounge. This is one of the things that I really look forward to when I travel. I just love staying in the lounge. I like the food, the drinks, and I like to relax while waiting to board. So now I have boarded the plane, and this is the business class cabin. Each of the seats has its own onboard entertainment, where you can watch movies, listen to music, podcasts, news, and even play games. There's a pretty large compartment next to your seat. You can put in your blanket, pillows, and pretty much anything you want to chuck inside. And this is in addition to your overhead compartment, so space for your stuff won't be a problem. You also have your own personal bar. It's not huge of course, but very nice to have. Business class ticket holders are handed with a fast-track pass, and this is for a quicker journey through immigration at Dubai Airport. During takeoff, landing, or even mid-flight, you can switch your screen to the camera attached to the tail of the aircraft called Tailcam, so you can have a view of what's happening outside. Emirates has a pretty wide selection of meals and drinks. This is another thing that I like in business class. There's lots of food. There's also a handheld tablet per seat, and you can control most of the functions of the entertainment system using this tablet. The seat also functions as a massage chair, and you can also control the settings using the touch screen or the tablet. Emirates has an entertainment lounge at the back of the plane, where you can socialize with other business class or first class passengers if you like. Unfortunately, at this time, there was no one around. And of course, there's a bartender to assist you if you like some food or drinks, or if you just like someone to have a chat with. We're about to land, and again, you can turn on the Tailcam to see the landing from the outside. Welcome to Dubai International Airport. Now I have to find my connecting flight. But, no rush, I have a few hours to spare. And of course, my favorite part of the trip. No journey is complete without visiting the lounge. The second leg of my trip was the flight from Dubai to Frankfurt. It's still on business class, still operated by Emirates, the carrier is still the same, it's the Airbus A380, so everything about the cabin is the same. Welcome to Frankfurt Airport. The weather was fine, the skies were clear, though a bit cold at 2 degrees Celsius. It's December, so it's winter in Germany. In Germany, unlike in Australia, you drive on the right side of the road. So the car's steering wheel is on the left. It was my first time driving in Germany, and I'm not that familiar with a Mercedes, so I asked the car rental staff for a bit of help. That's it for now, as I've finally reached my destination. Please don't forget to like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time.